Moikka. Tulin katsomaan, onko katiskassa mitään. Ääni meinaa olla lähtenyt. Hello. Sorry, my voice is off. I come to see if there's anything in my fish trap. There, a red fish trap. And I don't have any. I have only this phone, so sorry if it's moving all the time. Where's the... Here. On siellä jotain. Pyydystäneekö? Jaha. Sorry, this camera is moving. Okay. I don't know what it is in English, but in Finnish it's lahna. Oh, lahna. Kyllä ton nyt jotenkin voi syödäkin, mutta näyttää ja se laskee kuitenkin vapaaksi. Kasvako vielä isommaksi. I could take that fish, lahna, and eat that, smoke that, but I don't want this time, so I let it go free. Go free. This is very hard with one hand. Okay. Don't be afraid. I let you free. Lahna. Okay. Where can I get you? Okay. Go free, go free. Bye bye. There it goes. Sinne se meni. Kasvamaan vähän isommaksi. Lahnan kutukin on varmaan jo ohi. Tai en tiedä, onko menossa. My voice is going off. Täällä on hyttysiä ihan tajuttomasti. Here is mosquitoes. Thousands of mosquitoes. Okay, does it look nice? On se kesällä aina niin kaunista. Täällä joella. This look like a lake, but it's actually a river. Siikajoki. It's night. No dark in night. At night in summer. Joo, yöttömät yöt alkaa taas. Semmosta. Okay, bye for now. Heippa taasen.